Wait means to spend time while doing very little or nothing, as you cannot proceed further if the moment arrives, or something that you expect to happen occurs finally. Used with a preposition, on, for. Can be used with both things and people. Verb and noun. I'm waiting for my friend. I'm waiting for my friend. We are waiting for school bus. We are waiting for school bus. Do you want to wait in the car? Do you want to wait in the car? How long will you have to wait? How long will you have to wait? I will wait until you come back. I will wait until you come back. We waited for long time. We waited for long time. Emma waited for 3 hours for the train. Emma waited for 3 hours for the train. Wait means be waiting for an action or event to take place, with a hope or watchfulness. Must be followed by an object. Can only be used with things. Part of speech. Verb. A warm welcome awaits all our guests. A warm welcome awaits all our guests. His latest storybook is eagerly awaited. His latest storybook is eagerly awaited. We're eagerly awaiting his arrival. We're eagerly awaiting his arrival. The same fate awaits us all. The same fate awaits us all. Her parents are eagerly awaiting her exam results. Her parents are eagerly awaiting her exam results. The most awaited movie of the year is going to be released. The most awaited movie of the year is going to be released.